Okay, this is our second lesson on perimeter, and hopefully this will also give you some assistance with the work that you're currently doing. Now here's a more complicated problem. In this shape, you'll notice that it's not a rectangle or a square. It's actually a little bit more complicated than that. So in this problem, what we want to do, we need to work out the perimeter of this shape, or an expression for the perimeter of this shape, and then find the value of that perimeter if x equaled 4 centimeters. Now, once again, remember the perimeter is the total distance around the outside. So we need to add all the sides together. Now, what we can do, we need to look around the shape and work out, and basically first you need to try and work out what the missing ones are. Now, this one here, we know that this side here, that's 3x plus 8. This side is 3x. This side here is 2x plus 4. And this side here is 3x plus 2. But you'll notice there's two sides we don't know. So let's see if we can work out those two missing sides. We'll start with this long side over here, that side there. Now, what you hopefully might notice is that this side here, this length from here to here, is actually the same as this length plus this length. So that long green line is the same total length as that plus that. And we know that this one's 3x, and we know that this one is 2x plus 4. So this side must be this length plus this length, so it must be equal to 3x plus 2x plus 4. That was both those sides added together. And we know, now that we've got algebra skills, we know how to simplify this expression, because we now know that 3 lots of x plus 2 lots of x is actually 5 lots of x. It's like 3 bananas plus 2 bananas is 5 bananas. So 3x's plus 2x's is equal to 5x's plus 4 on the end. So we now know that this length here is 5x plus 4. Now, this other last side, and I'll change colour again so that's a little bit easy to see. This side here, this red side's a bit trickier. Now, hopefully we can use something similar, some similar idea that we'd use with the green line, to see if we can use the same idea to work out this missing side here. Now, hopefully you might see that this side, this red side we're trying to find, plus this side here adds up to this side here. So in other words, this side plus the unknown side, this part we're trying to work out, adds up to this side here. Well, that means then that this side, this red side here that we're trying to work out, is going to be the long side, 3x plus 8, but then take away the 3x plus 2. So this side, take away this length, will leave us with this length in here. So that length we're trying to find is going to be 3x plus 8 take away the 3x plus 2 part. Now we want to be careful here because we're taking away all the 3x plus 2, so we're going to minus all of 3x plus 2. We're minusing all of that from 3x plus 8 to leave us with this bit. So we now need to simplify this. So that will be 3x plus 8 minus 3x. Now we're going to get rid of our brackets. Minus 3x. And now we're also going to minus 2. Another way of getting rid of those brackets is to multiply everything inside the brackets by this negative sign. So negative 3x is minus 3x, and negative 2 is actually negative 2. So that we can simplify that down to, it's minus by the way, so it's 3x minus 3x. Well, they cancel, don't they? So 3x, take away 3x, leaves us with nothing. And 8 minus 2 equals 6. So that length there is 6. So now we've worked out, now we know all the sides of this shape. So now what we can do is work out that perimeter of the whole shape. So the perimeter of this shape is equal to, we'll start here. It's going to be 3x plus 8 plus 3x plus 6 plus 2x plus 4 plus 3x plus 2. Gee, it's getting quite long, isn't it? 3x plus 2. And finally, plus 5x plus 4. Now you can see why it's handy to have a group like terms. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to simplify this now. Now I want you to pause this and have a go at simplifying that yourself. And then when you think you've done it, stop. When you think you've done it, push play again and we'll go through the working. Okay, so hopefully you've had a go at this, and hopefully you would have actually done the following. Using colours, I'm going to group the like terms. So there's an x term, there's another x term, there's another x term, there's another x term, and another one. So they are all like terms. So 3x plus 3x again, plus 2x, plus 3x, plus 5x. And the other like terms are the numbers. So positive 8, positive 6, positive 4, positive 2, and positive 4 again are the numbers. So we'll just add those together. So it's plus 8, plus 6, plus 4, plus 2, plus 4 again. So finally, we just now need to tidy all this up. So it's going to equal 3x plus 3x, that's 6x, plus 2x, that's 8x, plus another 3x, that's 11x, plus 5x, that's 16x, plus 8 plus 6 is 14, plus another 4 is 18, plus 2 is 20, plus 4 is 24. So our final expression for the perimeter of this shape is 16x plus 24. There you go.